Reinforcement learning keeps improving a model but each update has to keep the new policy close to the old. Lurch too far, and training goes unstable. PPO and GRPO keep it close by clipping an importance ratio. But over a long-tailed vocabulary, that ratio is a poor proxy for how much the distribution really moved. DPPO measures the real shift instead, then masks any token past the boundary. But its mask is hard, cross the line, and the gradient is simply thrown away. No signal to come back. DRPO swaps that hard cutoff for a smooth, advantage-weighted penalty. A token past the boundary now gets a bounded pullback, firmer the farther it strays. Discarded signal becomes corrective signal. Same trust region, but the cliff becomes a ramp. Diverging updates are corrected, not dropped, and training comes out more stable across scales, architectures, and precisions.